Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking through the SQL Distinct Statement. The SQL Distinct Statement provides the unique values within a table or column. So as you can see here, we've got several duplicated customer IDs within this table. What we can do to find the unique ones is simply add in the distinct statement and the column name, so customer ID. So as we can see, we've got 14,596 rows. So this should now tell us how many distinct customer IDs we have in regards to rows. So yeah, we've got 599 distinct customer IDs. What you can also do is do a count check as well, along with the distinct statement if required, and that will tell you also that you have 599 unique values. So yeah, very useful to use from a data analytics perspective, and also when you're writing data quality rules if you want to see what values are associated with the field. So yeah, would highly recommend using this statement when required. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.